Let's meet Mr. Matthew, the owner of a renowned industry in Australia. He was looking for a dependable way to reuse the generated energy and reduce the carbon footprint. In a meeting with other employees of the company, he decided to install powerful waste heat boilers. So, he searched on Google and got to know about O'Brien Boiler Services Pty Ltd. After visiting their site, Mr. Matthew learned about their various products and convenient services. Without wasting any time further, he dialed 1300771759 and discussed his requirements with their expert. Their professionals listened to all his needs and manufactured waste heat boilers accordingly. Within certain weeks, they delivered and installed the boilers that also had a unique coil design. Mr. Matthew was so happy to have highly efficient waste heat boilers for his industry. So, like him, do you also want to buy waste heat boilers? Visit o'brienenergy.com.au to know more.